Hi, this is Brett with Piano Aha, and today we want to talk about flagged notes and their corresponding rests. So let's take a look. Here we have a bunch of notes with flags. This would be an 8th note and a 16th note and a 32nd note. Sometimes you might see them written in pairs or in groups with beams instead of flags. But you notice that the number of flags or beams is the same. So for 32nd note we have 3 flags, 3 beams, and if we want to look at the rest, which is the subject of this video, we again have 1, 2, 3 little flags. We take a look at a 16th note, we have 2 flags or 2 beams, and the rest has 1, 2 little flags. Same thing goes for an 8th note, 1 flag, 1 beam, 1 flag. So thanks for watching this short video on flagged notes and their corresponding rests, and happy ahas.